Hello UICS families, my name is Monica. I'm an infant support teacher at the Metro Center. This is my daughter Manuela. She is also a student there in the animators class. Tonight we're going to make chocolate jello. We're making 2 packs, so it calls for twice the ingredients. We have 6 cups of cold milk and 2 packs of jello. Alright, go ahead, pour in the jello.
Pour in the jello. My favorite part.
Get it all in there.
Yeah, get in there. Jello.
Alright, here's the first 3 cups of milk. Careful, don't spill it.
Ooh, that's easy.
Woo!
Oh,
Okay, got it all?
yeah.
Here's the second one. Be careful, this is really full.
Right.
Very full. 2 hands. Careful. Careful, careful, careful. Whoa, whoa. Good job. Okay, now we're going to have to stir it.
I'm going to stir. Okay. Oh, that feels good to stir it now. Yeah.
Is your arm getting tired?
No, I never tired. It's hard more.
Okay, I think it's about ready to go in the fridge. We're going to actually put it in the freezer for 5 minutes and then see how it tastes.
But we forgot we did 2 things.
We did 2 things. That's why it's a big bowl. You think it'll be enough?
I think it's not going to be enough for.
Okay, so we let it sit in the fridge for 5 minutes. Are you ready to try it, Manuela?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go ahead, serve us some.
Oh, that's it. Get out.
Uh-oh.
Get in there. Noodles.
Get another scoop and then try it out.
Oh, that's a big square.
Now, what ingredients did we use?
Milk, some sugar.
No sugar. It was just chocolate powder.
Chocolate powder.
And we used the sugar-free Jello. Taste it. Tell me how it tastes.
Good.
What does it taste like?
This is like chocolate.
That was a quick snack, wasn't it?